Today's tutorial is perfect because we're starting to get into the baseball season. At least I think we are. Honestly, I'm really not a sports person, but baseball stuff sells really well for me year round. But especially, I feel like once March comes around, that's when baseball's big. So, anyways, here we go. There's two different options. You'll see there's one that has cardstock just on the top, and then one that has all over cardstock. So I will show you how to do both of those. So first you'll need this cut file off Etsy. I will go ahead and link it in the video notes. You'll also need the Natollie baseball hat silicone mold, and then you'll also want some kind of a baseball design. I got a lot of my designs from Creative Fabrica. They are just a one-time subscription where you pay once to get your subscription for a month or for a year, and then you get everything on their site, which I love. So I really liked the 3D tumbler wrap and then this baseball mama. So first you're going to want to go ahead and upload your cut file and then upload those designs. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do this. For the designs, you're going to want to make sure you do complex to save your colors, and then do it as a print then cut so that it saves all of your patterns. And then for the cut file, you're just going to upload it as a cut image. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so you don't have to sit and stare at mine. So go ahead and select anything you want to use and add to canvas. And then if you are doing just the top portion of it, I will show you what part of the cut file you want to keep. So if you're doing the whole thing, then you can just keep this whole piece. I'm going to copy it, and then over off to the side you can see all the different pieces of the SVG, and we are just going to keep that one piece right there. So that's the one if you're just doing partial, and then the bottom one is if you're doing the whole thing. And then here's the sizing for the top, and then the sizing if you're doing the full cap. So I'm just going to go ahead and size mine to fit that. If you're already comfortable with Cricut Design Space, then this is where I say goodbye and you can go ahead and create. Don't forget to post pictures in our Facebook group so I can see what you've been working on. Please like and leave a comment. That helps YouTube know that this video helped you, so that also helps me. And then if you are new to Cricut, then keep watching and I'll show you how you can make these personalized with whatever designs you would like. So I'm just going to change them to print then cut. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to put my design the way that I like it. So I made it gray so it's easier to see. I'm going to do the pink baseball on top. So I'm just lining it up until I get a feel for what I like, selecting them both, and then slicing it. Then you're going to delete the extra pieces that you don't need, and you can do that by clicking off to the bar on the right or just on top of them. And then this piece is ready to go. Now if you want to do the full cap, you can do the same exact thing. So I'm just making it big enough so that it fits the whole piece. Then I'm sending it to the back so that it's easy to see how it fits on top of it. And then I'm going to center it horizontally so that it falls in the middle of the design. Then I'm going ahead and I'm only clicking on all of these white pieces and I'm going to weld them together because I don't want the black outline to be sliced. I just want the white. Then you're going to click on the white pieces and on the image and then go to slice. And that is what's going to cut out the pattern that we want. Then I'm just deleting some of these extra pieces. So there you can see I still have my outline. That's because I went and only clicked the white pieces that I wanted to slice. And then you can click on that outline and change the color to whatever color you want. So you could do red, you could do black, anything that looks good to your heart, you can use. So then once you have a design that you like, you're ready to go ahead and make it. I decided that I didn't love how this was cutting off the mama. I wanted the mama to go just a little bit higher. So I did go ahead and remake it, but I'm not going to have you watch all of that. But you can just play around with where you're putting the image and how you are sizing it. Okay, so here you can see the difference. I was able to move the image up so that mama doesn't get cut off. So then I'm just going to go ahead and delete the first one that I made. But really, like I said, it's all up to you. Whatever you want to design and make, you can. And then you're going to go ahead and save it as whatever you would like to. I just did Natollie baseball. And then you're ready to go ahead and click make. And then you'll just put these face down into your Freshie mold and cover with beads and bake. And then now you've got your Freshies all ready for baseball season. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, please, please, please leave a comment if this was helpful. That way YouTube knows to keep showing my videos to people. Thanks so much, everybody.